Hi guys, today we compare iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus. The Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max launched on September 2023. The price tag is $1,199. Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus launched on July 2024. The price tag is $600. The iPhone dimensions: height 6.3 inch, width 3.02 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus dimensions: height 6.44 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The weight of iPhone 15 Pro Max is 220 gram and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus 190 gram. The iPhone 15 Pro Max front and back glass and titanium frame. The Vivo iQOO 9S Pro front and back glass, eco leather back and aluminium frame. And the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display of these devices is iPhone 15 Pro Max come with LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16mm color screen type. The Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size iPhone 15 Pro Max 6.7 inch and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus come with 6.78 inches. The resolution of these mobile is 1.5K and the PPI density is looking same 460 and 453. The refresh rate of iPhone 15 Pro Max is 120 Hz and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus is 144 Hz. Screen to body ratio is looking same. The screen protection: the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with ceramic shield glass and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with Corning Gorilla Glass. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 2000 nits peak of brightness and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 48 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a TOF 3D ladder sensor with dual LED dual tone flash HDR photo panorama. And the recording of these cameras is 4K 60 fps. The Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash panorama HDR, and it's record 8K 30 fps. iPhone 15 Pro Max selfie camera is 12 megapixel and a SLTD biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera and 1080p 30 fps video record. The platform of this device is the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with hexa-core Cortex-X with 3.78 GHz and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with octa-core Cortex-X4 3.3 GHz. iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU of Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU 6 core and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with Adreno 750. The iPhone comes with iOS 17 operating system and the Vivo comes with Android 14 Origin OS 4 operating system. The memory of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 8 GB of RAM and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM. The internal storage is same in both devices: 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup of this mobile's iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 4441 mAh battery and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with 5500 mAh battery, and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with 120 watt fast charging. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with 23 watt fast charging. The iPhone 15 Pro Max supports 15 watt wireless charging and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus could not support wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The commons and the features: iPhone 15 Pro Max come with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.2, Face ID unlocking, NVMe, and IP68 water and dust resistant, and SOS system via satellites, calls and messages. The Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus comes with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared, Type-C 3.2 and fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0 and IP64 water and dust resistant. The result: iPhone 15 Pro Max scored 20 points and the Vivo iQOO 9S Pro Plus scored 23 points.